everyone. My name is Manjunath. I am studying Interface College of Computer Application in Davangere. Today my concept is data information, decision making, database management system. First we know about what is data. Data is a raw facts and figures. These have very little meaning until they are stored or they are used to make calculation. Data means it contains facts and figures. This process of storing or calculating data is called a data process. In this data, we can process of calculating the data and sorting. They are all comes in the data processing. The result of data processing is information. What we about information? What is information? Information is a stimulate that has meaning in some context for its receiver. When information is entered into and stored in a computer, it is generally referred to as data. Means when we store the information to data, it is generally referred to as a data. After processing, such as a formatting and printing output data can again be as an information. It should data or nothing but it contains the fact and figure. After we analyzing we analyzing the information, we have make a on some kind of decision making. Means plan about the new kind of decision making. What is decision making? Decision making structure requires that the programmer specifies one or more condition to be evaluated or tested by the program along with a statement to be executed if the condition is determined to be true, and optionally other statement to be executed if the condition is determined to be false. It means when we have a specific data, we analyze the information and we find the different type of decision making to improve our productivity or something else. Next we go about decision based management system. A database management system, nothing but DBMS, is a software tool that enables user to manage a database easily. Means DBMS is a one type of the software tool. It manages the data easily. It allows user to access and interact with the underlying data in database. It is easy to access the user in .dbms. This action can range from simply querying data to defining database schemes that fundamental affect the database structure. Another meaning of DBMS is database management system or software system and use it to store, retrieve. We use it to store and retrieve the data and run queries on data. A DBMS serves an interface between end user and a database, allowing user to create, read, update, and delete data in the database. It is the database is give some option to the users. We allowing the and create some data and read the data and update the data, and we also delete the data. DBMS manage the data, the database engine, and the database scheme, allowing for data to be manipulated or extracted by the user and other programmers. This helps provide data security, data integrity, concurrency, and uniform data administration produce. DBMS obtains the organization of data by following a database scheme designing. Means DBMS is an allowing of the some database scheme designing techniques called a normalization, which splits a large table into smaller table when any of attributes have redundancy in value. DBMS offer may benefits after its overall traditional file systems including flexibility and more complex database management system can be classified based on a variety of criteria such as the data model, the database distribution, or user numbers. The most widely used type of DBMS software are rationally distributed, hierarchical, object oriented, and it contains the network. These DBMS, it helps to the different types of the user. We create, read, and upload the data, and deleting the data and modify the data. These are all helps of the DBMS. This, thank you, thank you.